Hey everyone! The end of the year is almost here, and you know what that means: celebrations, joy, and making memories with loved ones. But planning the perfect party can be tricky. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Stick with me, and let's create a celebration everyone will remember. 1. Choosing the theme. First things first, pick a theme. A great theme ties everything together, from decor to food. Here are some ideas. A classy black and gold gala. A cozy winter wonderland. Or something unique like a throwback to the 80s. Once you've chosen your theme, it's easier to plan everything else. 2. Making a checklist. Next up is organization. Here's a quick checklist. 1. Guest list. Write down who you want to invite. 2. Venue. Decide if it's at home, outdoors, or rented space. 3. Budget. Plan how much you can spend on food, drinks, decor, and entertainment. Trust me, having this list keeps you on track and stress-free. 3. Creative invitations. Now, make it official with invitations. You can use online tools for modern, easy invites. If you're feeling creative, why not make handmade cards for a personal touch? It shows effort and excitement. 4. Decorations and ambience. Decorations set the mood. Stick to your theme and use items like fairy lights, candles, and themed centerpieces. And don't forget the music. Create a playlist that matches the vibe, whether it's upbeat or cozy holiday tunes. 5. Food and drinks. Food is the heart of any celebration. Here's how to make it simple. Finger foods like sliders and mini desserts are always a hit. Create a signature drink or mocktail to wow your guests. Pro tip: consider dietary preferences so everyone can enjoy. 6. Entertainment and activities. Keep your guests entertained with fun activities. You can try a karaoke session, a photo booth with props, or classic games like charades. Remember, laughter and connection make the best parties. 7. Wrapping up and tips. Finally, here are some extra tips. Start planning early to avoid last-minute stress. Delegate tasks like food or decor to friends or family. And most importantly, have fun. It's about celebrating the year and cherishing the moments. So there you have it, your ultimate guide to planning the perfect end-of-year celebration. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share your party ideas in the comments. Let's make this year-end unforgettable. See you in the next video.